Hello friends, welcome to my channel. If you are new to this channel, then please subscribe to my channel, and if you like this video, then please share with your friends and family. So today's topic is, we will talk about ME Organics Limited IPO, which is coming on next week. Okay, so we will talk about this particular IPO here. I will tell you each and every description of this particular company, as well as all the information regarding the IPO. So if first we talk about the company, then the company has incorporated in 2004. Okay, the company manufactures direct type of advanced pharmaceutical intermediates and active pharmaceutical integrants. Okay, so the company has developed more than 450 pharma intermediates across 17 key therapeutic areas. Okay, and this company has 150 customers in India, whereas 25 countries customers outside India. Okay, in which the main countries are Europe, USA, China, Israel, Japan, Latin America, etc. Okay, the companies has some competitive strengths, which is the company has the strong and diversified product portfolio, which consists of 450 plus pharma intermediates. Okay, it has the extensive geographic presence. Okay, it has a strong R&D, sales and marketing. It consists of financial performance track record. If we talk about the total asset, then in 2021 the asset was 4132 million, whereas in 2020 it was around half, which is 2318 million, and whereas in 2019 it is 2131 million. If we talk about profit after tax, then in 2019 the profit after tax was 232 million, whereas in 2020 it was 274 millions, and whereas you can see that in 2021 it gets double to 450 million as compared to 2020. Okay, the main objective of this particular IPO is repayment of certain financial facilities availed by the company. Okay, funding working capital requirement of the company, and some general corporate purposes. Now here comes the important information about the IPOs. The IPO would open on 1st of September. The IPO close on 3rd of September. Okay, the IPO price is 603 to 610 rupees per equity share. The market lot is 24. The listing would be on NSE as well as BSE. Okay, the basis of allotment would come on 8th of September. Initiation of refund means allotment would come on 9th of September. The credit of share into your demat account would be on 13th of September, whereas the IPO listing will be on 14th of September. Okay, so in retail category, the minimum one lot you can apply with 24 lots, in which you need to pay 14,640 rupees, whereas in case of maximum, then you can apply 13 lots, in which 312 shares would be there, and the amount would be 1,90,320 rupees. If we talk about the registrar of the company, then the registrar of the company is linkintime.com. Okay, so allotment would come on this particular website. If we talk about the grey market premium, then the grey market premium not yet started, so it would come by next week, most probably by Monday. The main thing is that the main thing of this particular video is to give you the basic information of this particular IPO. So I will make a separate video regarding the grey market premium of this particular IPO. Okay, hope you like this video. Thank you so much.